We're back again if I've been a mechanic trying to get this pivot axle installed. Okay, we're gonna see if we can maybe spread this a little bit. Maybe. That's not gonna work. Not every idea is a good one, but sometimes you learn something. All right, don't know if that did anything, but we're gonna give it a try. Take something soft. Here I'm trying to see if what I've just worked on will actually fit. I've got these bushings, I'm trying to push them up in between that frame and see if it'll go. And now I'm wondering if I have it in backwards, so I flip it around to see if that fits better. Progress. That may have done something that we wanted. Definitely moving. Using the jack, the axle is starting to go up inside the frame rail, but it's not going all the way, and it's mostly just lifting the lawnmower. Okay, that's done good. It's gotten us up. We need to go another inch or so. I'm gonna try and find something to block it because I'm kind of hitting the frame. So we're gonna see if we can get it to pop up. that's our 5 minutes for today, so we're going to pause here. Remember, just taking 5 minutes a day and you'll start to get those projects done.